Hello, welcome to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Today we are going to learn about IAM service in AWS. IAM stands for Identity Access Management. Identity Access Management service will help us to create the user and assign the roles for the user in the AWS. So before we go further about IAM, first we need to know how to log in into IAM. So first we need to log in as a root user from AWS console and select IAM from security, identity and compliance section. So from where we will log in into the IAM module, and then we can work on creating the users, creating the groups, creating the roles and policies that we can see in coming slides. First, let us know about how to create the groups in the IAM. So click on groups in right hand side. It will allow us to create the groups. So usually the groups will be created based on the requirement in the organization. For administrators, managers and developers, we will create the different groups for provide the right access for the right group. So first we need the users to create the groups. I mean, users should be there for assign users for that specific group. So in next section we are going to know about how to create the users. So to create the users, from the left hand side, please select the user section. Then we will go to the user section. By clicking on add user, we can create the users. We can also give the username, password, and we can also assign the roles for the user. So in coming section, we can come to know that how to create the roles. So that roles we will assign for the users. Just from the left hand side, click on roles. We will go to the role section. IAM roles are nothing but giving the secure way of permissions for the specific users. So how these uh, permissions will be provided? These permissions will be provided based on the roles, and these roles will be created based on the policies. So what are the policies and all, we can come to know in coming section of our IAM. From the left hand side, please select the policies so that we will go to the IAM policies. IAM policies are nothing but the objects are available in IAM to provide the access. So these objects will be created based on the specific job function or specific purpose. For example, for administrator, we will provide administrator access policy so that the role will be having the full administrative access. Once we assign that role for the user, that user will be having full access. Like that, we will be having different policies that we will assign to the roles, and then that roles will be assigned to the users. In this way, IAM will work for us to create the users and to create the access and then restrict the access by using the policies. Let us enter into the next section of IAM, that is IAM account settings. Under IAM account settings, we will be having uh, different features like password policy, where we can mention that what is the password length, what kind of characters it will allow, etc, etc. And there will be having different account settings, like we can also allow the users based on the multi-factor authentication, so that the user can be logged into by using his password and then by using the multi-factor authentication code. So that will come under two ways. One is with your mobile number, another one is with the Google Authenticator or some other authenticator files we can use. So like that, IAM account settings will help you. So that is the information today on IAM. I think this information will help you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching our channel, My Telugu Shop Pickles. Please subscribe to our channel, My Telugu Shop Pickles.